Good morning, Ben Alexander here. I've been in the power generation business since 2017, and in this video I'd like to talk about the biggest battery in the world being installed by Tesla in Shanghai. But let me start off with a couple facts and figures that will help you understand the overall context of this video. And I am recording this in front of the piece of the power grid here in Land O'Lakes, Florida. Not trespassing, I'm just behind a shopping center. So the first thing I want you to understand is that China produces about 4 million barrels of oil a day. 4.18, just over 4 million barrels of oil a day. But China uses 15 million barrels of oil a day. They're the second largest buyer of oil on the planet. Now, the United States, we produce 21 million barrels of oil a day, and we use about 20 million. So we're a net exporter. So what's happening in China is they don't have a lot of energy security because they produce 4 million barrels of oil but use 15. So in a global war, if you really want to take advantage of China, you just cut off their oil supply from the Mideast. So for that reason, the Chinese have been installing solar and subsidizing solar panel factories, subsidizing electric car companies, because they don't want to be reliant on foreign oil. So now that you understand that, you understand why Tesla is putting in a $557 million battery. It's going to be over a gigawatt hour in storage, which is massive, in Shanghai, because the Chinese are installing solar at such a rate. I'll give you an example. Last year, United States, we installed 50 gigawatts of solar. That's a lot. Well, China last year installed 214 gigawatts of solar. So China is installing 4 times as much solar. They're subsidizing electric car manufacturers. They're subsidizing battery manufacturers. And they're adding massive batteries to the power grid because China doesn't want to be reliant on foreign oil. It's a weakness. China's biggest weakness right now is oil. They want to be able to produce all their own energy. They found the quickest way to do that is to build a massive power grid, have mostly electric cars, and have storage on that grid. So I thought you might find that interesting. This is a news release literally that just came out yesterday. $557 million battery. The largest battery in China right now is in Shandong, and that's over a gigawatt hour of storage. So they're not sure how big this new Tesla battery is going to be. The other interesting thing about it is Tesla is actually producing these mega pack batteries at their factory in Shanghai, and this has nothing to do with the cars. These are batteries that are being used by the power grid all over the world. The mega pack is 3.9 megawatts of storage. So if you are upgrading your power grid anywhere around the world, you can go to Tesla and buy these massive storage batteries and have them installed. And again, Tesla, as much as you may disagree with Elon Musk's politics, they're wildly innovative, and if there's a problem that needs to be solved, Tesla will step in and solve that problem. They're really an impressive company in terms of innovation. So I thought you might find that interesting. I'm standing here in front of the power grid. This is a substation with my little electric car, which incidentally is smaller than my head. So I hope you have a great day. I will put all these facts in the description. Have a blessed day.